In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give customers discounts on invoices in QuickBooks Online. This process is quick, simple, and can really enhance your flexibility when managing customer relationships by allowing you to provide occasional discounts as needed. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your dashboard. Navigating the tabs and understanding where everything is will make the process smoother. Next, if you're not already on the main dashboard, select QuickBooks Online from the available options. Then enter your login credentials, your username and password, and click Continue to access your account. Once you're in, it's time to create a new invoice. Look toward the top right of your screen for the Create button. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, select Invoice. This opens a new invoice form ready for customization. Start by adding your customer's details. QuickBooks makes this easy. You can search for an existing customer or add a new one if needed. With your customer added, move on to entering the products or services you're billing for. You can select from presets you've already entered into QuickBooks or manually type in the details. With the customer and items now listed, it's time to add the discount. Locate the discount field, usually found toward the bottom of the itemized list. Here, you can enter either a percentage or a fixed dollar amount, depending on the type of discount you want to offer. Make sure this aligns with your accounting policies or any agreements made with the customer. Once all details are entered and double-checked, finalize the invoice by clicking Save and Send at the bottom of the screen. This saves the invoice in your records and prepares it for sending to your customer. Make sure the client's email is correct and make any last-minute adjustments if needed. And that's it. You've successfully created an invoice with a discount in QuickBooks Online. This not only streamlines your billing, but also shows flexibility and appreciation for your customers. Repeating these steps will soon become second nature and help improve your billing efficiency. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and happy invoicing.